Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not a huge fan of cooking, but I do love this air fryer from CHEFMAN because it makes the process of cooking easier and faster. The air fryer I had prior to this one was just a single basket design. I love the way this one's designed. I much prefer it. It's got 3 individual mesh trays, which makes cooking multiple things at once easier. If I want, I can cook an entire meal in just the air fryer. Another feature this air fryer had, my other one didn't, is this clear window. I like that because I can easily glance in there and kind of monitor how things are cooking to see if I need to adjust time or temperature. But this isn't just an air fryer, you guys. This is also a dehydrator. So I dehydrated some bananas in here. They came out awesome. My kids said they tasted like fruit snacks, so that is a huge win. It also comes with a couple accessories that really set it apart. So you have a rotating basket. That's perfect for cooking fries. It helps them to crisp nice and even. And then you also have this additional accessory and you can cook an entire chicken in this thing. It's like a rotisserie. So it will turn the chicken as it cooks. And I'm not kidding you, it cooked the best chicken ever. It cooks it nice, brown, crispy. It was moist. It was perfect. I'll never use my oven again to cook a chicken. This is also great for cooking frozen items like my kids' chicken nuggets, French toast sticks, because I don't have to preheat it and it cooks in half the time. This is definitely not one of those appliances that just sit in my cabinet. I use it all the time. And that's my point of view.